In this video, we are going to fix an error code 1 in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. How we can do that, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. Okay, so at the settings, please use the search bar here at the left side and type for Windows Store apps. Once you have find this find and fix problems with Windows Store apps, click on it. Then after that, please click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Okay. So wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, please check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to reset your Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together so that you can open the small window called Run. Here, please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. Once you have opened this blank window, please wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you are done with this, please check if the error has been resolved. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.